In these difficult times, like the pandemic, many nurses are trying to look for ways to earn extra income. Luckily, there are a number of ways to do that at the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will be talking about 5 best options to earn additional income as a nurse online. Keep watching. Hey, what's up, friends? This is Fabb, your fabulous life-saving goddess here in Vancouver. I help nurses earn extra income with the use of technology. So just a quick story time. During the pandemic, I needed to quit work because it wasn't safe to go outside and work outside anymore as a nurse. I needed to take care of myself. But at the same time, I was trying to find ways to earn an income. So yeah, I wanted to use my other skills aside from my nursing skills to try to find ways to at least earn when I was at home, when it was not safe to go outside. So I will be sharing some of the things that I discovered, I've researched. In this video, I'm gonna give 5 of the ideas that I came up with to add extra income. Some are passive income, some are active ones. So let's dive right into it. Number 1 on my list is providing nursing services online. What are the different services you can offer online? So you can share expert opinions on medical cases, either through consultation services or being telehealth nurse, providing patient education and developing care plans to deliver nursing care on remote areas. So there are companies that offer telehealth nursing to cater to those who are inaccessible to healthcare, which is, I believe, is amazing. And the next thing that you can offer online is with your nursing knowledge is be a healthcare virtual assistant. So after I quit being a nurse in a hospital, fortunately I was able to find this service of being a healthcare virtual assistant. And I was a healthcare virtual assistant for 8 months. I have other videos about it, so go check out my playlist, or I will link it down in the description below. But basically, as a healthcare virtual assistant, you get to help medical offices usually in the US. I did that when I was back in the Philippines. But if you have more questions, I'm glad to answer it down below. And that's it. The second way you can earn extra income, you can sell some of your resources online. What are the things that you can sell online? You can sell nursing study guides, nurses or nursing students. So you make a PDF out of it and then you upload it online. If you made it really aesthetic and pleasing and very informational, a lot of people are willing to buy those kinds of study materials. Another thing that you could sell online are PowerPoint presentations. You can use PowerPoint presentation, for example, cardiology. Make a PowerPoint presentation that would really help nursing educators. Yeah, if you make it really engaging and really clear and really interactive, I think a lot of nursing educators or teachers or professors are willing to pay for those kind of PowerPoint presentations. So it's a really nice idea. And last, if you are a researcher, you could also publish your research journals, scientific paper online. There's a lot of websites that would charge people to download or view your journals, your researches. So if you have a really interesting research or very monumental research data, why not upload it online? And yeah, a lot of people are making money through charging for their research paper, so why not take advantage of that opportunity? The third way to earn money online as a nurse is you could teach online. Online teaching, I really value teaching a lot. That's why I'm also in this field. I really want to be a professor someday. So you can teach in a traditional classroom. You could use a whiteboard to explain concepts. You can use PowerPoint, you can use like how you would teach a traditional classroom. It's just that you're doing it in front of a camera, you're uploading it online on YouTube or maybe on your own website. Or nursing students could like go to your website, and if like teaching is also your passion, I believe that you have ways to make concepts easier, make the content also engaging so you won't lose their interest. Engaging, aesthetic pleasing, and valuable in terms of the knowledge you're passing down to these like future nurses. So through that website or through YouTube, you can earn whenever there's a person who watches your videos through AdSense. Yeah, I think there are also AdSense for websites. Every time they click your website, they view a video, you earn through AdSense. Yeah, that's it for online teaching. There's a lot of ways that you can teach online nowadays. And yeah, you can teach without leaving your house. So I think it's like a win-win situation, right? The fourth one is that you can create or sell courses. Yeah, really similar to like what I've discussed in online teaching. So like you can create like a course, a certain specialization or like patient safety, make courses that would like charge people for like signing up and be able to access like videos or tests, assignments. You can like put assignments on it. Also a way for them to like give feedback. Also your course should be really interesting. Like for example, teaching about nursing informatics, teaching what are the things that you can do to be like a telehealth nurse. Maybe you can get like accreditation. Maybe you can get a regulatory body to honor your course, your online course, provide the students or like the course takers certification afterwards. They will like earn maybe like continuing education units. Isn't that really great? And the fifth and last way of earning online as a nurse is that you can speak in online conferences. You can offer continuing education credits for attending those kind of conferences. I was really active with nursing associations during my college days. To name a few, MCNAP, Mother and Child Nurses Association of the Philippines, ORNAP, Operating Room Nurses Association of the Philippines, and of course CLAB, our organization. They make people attend these conferences, and then in return they would earn CPD units for them to be able to renew their license. And like if you're really an expert on like for example these domains, you could offer your services. So speaking online, maybe they would invite you. These conferences are transitioning to online modes. You can create like there's a bigger market for it. For speaking at the conferences, usually they would receive honorariums for like doing a presentation, speaking for 1 or 2 hours. 1 or 2 hours, that's too long. Like 30 minutes to an hour kind of like talk, answering questions. So I know that they get honorarium from these conferences. So yeah, the possibilities are endless. So there are many ways for nurses to earn online, from teaching, from making courses, to writing, etc., and so on and so forth. My suggestion is take advantage of these opportunities. If you like this video, obviously you can do the thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on the next video, I would suggest that you click subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified. That's it for now. If you have questions, don't hesitate to comment down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay fabulously brave, rich, and beautiful. Bye! Rich!